Hi and Assalamu Alaikum. I'm Sandra from Urban Hijab. Welcome to Latin Soul Halal Cuisine. Today I'm making date shake, a winning smoothie. If you want to print a copy of this recipe, go to the urbanhijab.com website by clicking the link below. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed this video for Date Shake Winning Smoothie. If you enjoyed this video, click like and hit the subscribe button. Visit urbanhijab.com for modest lifestyle news, information, wisdom quotes, fashion, and more. That's Urban Hijab, URBANHIJAB.com.